Hey guys, welcome back to Shifting the Gear. Today we're having a very quick look at the Subaru Outback XT Touring. Now the XT stands for the turbo motor, which goes from a 2.5 litre to a 2.4 litre turbo. Main difference you'll see from the front end, or the only difference, is the fog lights. They've got a nice hexagonal shape as opposed to the halogen standard looking ones. However, front end's the same as a 2.5 litre non-turbo. 18-inch wheels, exactly the same, body's the same. If you do go for the sport variant, they do have different crossbars, but that's also similar in the non-turbo. Rear end, also identical, minus the badge. That badge is obviously with the XT. Now let's have a quick look at interior. Being the Touring, you've got the Napa leather. It's perforated, it's got the cooled seats as well. Hasn't changed too much from when they first released this model in 2021. Slightly different infotainment system, updated with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got a little extender here as well for your knees. And other than that, interior is identical to the older ones. I will put a link for the full review if you want to go see one in depth as well. And let's check out the engine. Alright guys, obviously biggest difference is the engine in this car. It's a 2.4 litre turbo as opposed to the 2.5. This comes with 183 kilowatts and 350 newton meters of torque. And yeah, other than that, so you got the engine, the fog lights, and the badge at the back. Everything else is the same as a 2.5 litre. The thing to mention is they've got the top mount intercooler, which kind of funnels air through under the bonnet. A little disappointing. I would have loved to see a bit of a scoop. That would have given it a bit more of an aggressive look and maybe give it a bit more difference to the one below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.